Hi everyone. Today we're putting in our perlite into our soil because we need some more drainage that we didn't do yet last year. So we are going to fluff all this dirt up and get some perlite in here. And when we get ready to plant, we'll be adding more of our um, fertilizers and stuff like that. You can see how the soil looked without the perlite. It's moist towards the bottom, but we still would like to have that in there just for drainage. After we added the perlite to the other beds, we jumped over to the strawberry bed you see here in the picture to kick things off. First came some good old cardboard to block the weeds, kind of like rolling out the red carpet for strawberries. We then stapled in the fabric, which isn't shown because, let's be honest, watching someone staple isn't exactly riveting. We filled it up with soil and now it's ready for planting. So after we put the perlite in the soil, we did end up putting the soil in the strawberry bed as well. And I decided I was gonna go set up my little water fountain that I have. And so for this setup, I started by putting together the base shown in the picture. There are wood pieces weighing it down in the inside. I placed the pot right in the center, added soil all around it, and gave it a good watering to soften things up. Makes planting the violets and the pansies a whole lot easier. Before planting, I sprinkled in some of the vigorous organic plant food. It's a 5-5-5 blend right under the flowers for that extra boost. Then I topped it off by having water inside the pot and dropping in the solar water fountain to bring it all to life, which you'll see after I'm done planting and I give you a shot of the inside of the pot that doesn't yet have the water in there, but I will show you the completed picture. I go around the pot just to show you the flowers that I planted and just to give you a final look before I added the water. And you can see in the video that I'm talking, but it was so windy that day and I did a rookie move and didn't make sure that my microphone was connected. So that is why I am transcribing now. So I'm just finishing up planting the pansies and violas around the base of the planter. They're going to add a nice little pop of color all the way around, and once they fill in, it'll look really full and vibrant. So here you see is the completed view around the base. A week or two after planting, things didn't go quite as planned. The violas and the pansies faded out, probably from stress or weather, but that's the garden for you. Sometimes you lose a few blooms before things really take root. I replanted the new pansies and we're back in bloom.